Hi there, my name's Lisa Williamson and I'm a hypnotherapist. I have a website, www.youmotivate.co.uk, and there you can find my testimonials of one-to-one sessions. I've also did workshops with charities for well-being. That said, I'm going to show you today a little self-hypnosis technique. I used this in the dentist last week. I have a fantastic dentist, but nerves were there, buzzing around. I knew it wasn't going to hurt. I knew he was hugely experienced, but my nerves, my heart was starting to beat, double beat, flutter. So just become more alert of your breath when that happens, gently. And then what I found I did was, when I lay back in the chair and I was waiting for the anaesthetic to take effect, take yourself to a time and place where it was just so relaxing. Mine was the beach. It was a tropical, gorgeous beach with white sand, turquoise sea. And then what I did was focus on one detail. I focused on the waves, just one wave, how it moved in, and I heard the shingle or the soft sound of the shells. The fine sand has those almost like powdered shell, doesn't it, on the shoreline? And I listened to that wave roll back out, and in my mind's eye I was watching it coming up, curling over, and I focused just on the tip of the wave where it starts to break. There's a little foam, and then I watched it roll back down again, and then my mind focused on some seaweed that was gently focusing in the next wave, and I noticed how it stretched and curled. And then my mind chose, very unhurried, you can just stay with that wave or that one thing. I then remembered the image of finding the most beautiful shell on the beach, and how it almost glistened in the sun, and how the inside was just so, the pearl, the slippiness, the creaminess. I just followed the image of the shell. By the time my mind was thinking about all that enhanced detail, there wasn't really enough room for my mind to worry about anaesthetic, and before I knew it, my mouth was numb and the dentist took out my tooth. So it's a good technique to use if you're feeling anxious at any time. Say you have social anxiety and you're out in a shop or something, pick a very small detail and follow the detail. It just allows you to sort of recalculate. It just allows you to become back in the present moment, and there's not enough room for the anxiety because you're focusing on that small detail. Thanks for listening.